Hello and welcome back, dear students. Now we'll start chapter number 8, which is winds, storms, and cyclone. Let's see what we have to study in this chapter. First is air. Air is a mixture of gases. Winds. Moving air is called wind. Wind is a flow of gases on a large scale on the surface of the earth. Wind consists of the bulk movement of air. In outer space, solar winds is the movement of gases or charged particles from the sun through space, while planetary wind is the outgassing of light chemical elements from the planet's atmosphere into space. Winds are commonly classified by their spatial scale, their speed, the types of forces that cause them, the region in which they occur, and their effects. The strongest observed winds on a planet in the solar system occur on Neptune and Saturn. Winds have various aspects, an important one being its velocity, another the density of the gas evolved, another is the energy contained or wind energy of a wind. Air exerts pressure. The fact that air exerts pressure can be understood by many examples. Tube of bicycle gets inflated when air is filled in it. It happens because air exerts pressure. It is difficult to move the bicycle against the direction of wind. Similarly, a sailor feels it difficult to sail his boat against the direction of wind. This happens because air exerts pressure. Movement of air. Air moves from high pressure zone to low pressure zone of air. Air from high pressure zone rushes towards the low pressure zone to fill the gap. Thus, greater is the pressure difference, greater will be the speed of wind and vice versa. Cause of wind movement. Pressure difference in the air is caused by differential heating. Warm air rises up because it becomes lighter. This creates an area of low pressure because the rising air below the rising air. The air of low pressure is quickly filled by cooler air from around. That is how the wind movement is created on earth. Thus, differential heating of air creates pressure difference, which makes the wind movement. Now we'll talk about what is thunderstorm. Many a time rain is associated with lightning. Rain with lightning is called thunderstorm. This happens mostly in the summer. Thunderstorm occurs frequently in hot and humid tropical areas such as India. In summer, the air rises up along with a lot of moisture. After rising up to a certain height, water vapor cools down and coming down in the form of water droplets. The swift drifting of water droplets creates electricity among clouds. This manifests in the form of lightning and sound. This is known as thunderstorm.